Today, we're diving into something truly innovative in the world of smartphones. So, what makes the Honor Magic V3 stand out in the crowded market of foldable phones? Well, it's not just about the sleek design or powerful performance, it's about taking care of your eyes. Let's talk about how Honor is changing the game with AI Defocus Eye Protection. Imagine this, two screens side by side, and they look identical at first glance. But look closer, and you'll notice something different about the screen on the right. Honor has introduced a feature called AI Defocus Eye Protection on the new Magic V3, the world's thinnest and lightest folding phone. This nearly invisible technology reduces eye strain by adding tiny, blurred segments to the display layers. These segments aren't visible to the naked eye but are designed to make prolonged screen time less taxing on your eyes. And it doesn't stop there. This tech might even help reduce the risk of developing or worsening myopia. Myopia, or nearsightedness, is when you can see things clearly up close but struggle with distant objects. This condition is becoming increasingly common, especially with the rise of screen time. By 2050, it's estimated that half the world's population could be myopic. This surge is linked to genetics, lack of outdoor time, and, crucially, the amount of near work we do, like staring at our smartphones for hours on end. But how exactly does Honor's AI Defocus come into play here? To understand this, let's take a quick dive into how myopia is typically managed. Traditionally, glasses with concave lenses correct myopia by refocusing light onto the retina. But these lenses can inadvertently make things worse by causing the peripheral retina to become hyperopic, leading to further eye growth and worsening myopia. Enter the latest innovation, glasses with defocus incorporated multiple segments or DIMS. These glasses use tiny lenses to blur certain parts of your vision, preventing the eye from overcompensating and potentially slowing the progression of myopia. This is the foundation of Honor's AI Defocus technology. The Magic V3 simulates this effect on screen, dynamically adjusting the image to introduce subtle blurring in certain areas. This helps prevent eye strain and could potentially reduce the risk of developing myopia over time. Here's where it gets interesting. Even though this feature is active, you might not notice it at all without a microscope. The AI Defocus feature is so subtle that it blends seamlessly into your everyday usage. It's currently supported in apps like YouTube, and Honor plans to expand this to more apps in the future. However, be aware that this feature does require extra processing power, which means it can impact battery life. Honor recommends using it in moderation, like after 30 minutes of screen time, but you have full control to turn it on or off whenever you like. But does it really work? Honor's lab tests suggest that it does. In a controlled environment, they found that AI Defocus reduced transient myopia, temporary nearsightedness from screen use by 13 degrees on average. They also observed an increase in choroidal thickness, which is associated with slowing the progression of myopia. While these findings are promising, more research is needed before we can draw any firm conclusions. Still, it's a fascinating step forward in making our tech more eye-friendly. The Honor Magic V3 isn't just about eye health, it's a powerhouse of a device. With ultra-high PWM dimming to minimize screen flicker and a massive 5150 mAh battery, this foldable phone is as functional as it is innovative. And let's not forget the design. This is the world's thinnest and lightest foldable phone, lighter even than some non-foldable devices. Plus, it comes with a standard-size outer display and a periscope camera on the back, making it a top contender in the foldable space. Excited yet you should be. The official launch is just around the corner on September 5th, and this phone is set to make waves in the foldable market. Make sure you stay tuned for more updates and detailed reviews once the embargo lifts. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this deep dive into Honor's AI Defocus Eye Protection as fascinating as I did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.